Happy October. It is a beaut of a day here on the farm. We aren't just out here farming and doing this all on our own. It takes a lot of smart people to raise happy, healthy cows.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Happy October. It is a beaut of a day here on the farm, and there's all sorts of things going on, so hope you're ready to farm with us. Something I feel like not a lot of people know is just how many specialists dairy farmers work with to make sure their herd is happy and healthy. Today, one of those specialists is at our farm. He is our hoof trimmer. He comes once a week and trims a selection of cows. It is our goal for every cow on this farm to have their feet trimmed, their hooves trimmed twice a year or as needed. Our hoof trimmer arrives early in the morning. He sets up his chute, and then we sort the selection of cows that we want trimmed that day. We usually do 30-ish. The cows go into the chute. He restrains each foot and then uses a grinder, basically a giant nail file, to smooth out and trim each hoof. He'll also check for abnormalities, making sure there's no soft spots, no abscesses, no injuries, anything and everything to make sure these feet are strong and healthy. Doesn't take long. It's usually pretty easy on the cow. And then she just goes about her merry way with happy, healthy feet. We're very thankful for someone who knows how to properly trim cow hooves, because it's not an easy job. It's something that we aren't that great at and would be very time consuming if we tried to do it ourselves. So using people outside the farm to help us care for our herd is very important. I was just talking about the importance of using specialists outside the farm. Got anything to add?
No.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what you said, so.
Just that, we work with a hoof trimmer, a nutritionist. Like, we aren't just out here farming and doing this all on our own. It takes a lot of smart people to raise happy, healthy cows.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Getting kind of warm out, isn't it?
It is. Surprised you still have a sweatshirt on.
Surprised you still have a sweatshirt on.
Surprised you haven't said anything about me still having a sweatshirt on.
Just did. Update, sweatshirt is off. Tom and I are heading down to where we keep all our dry cows. Dry cows are like cows that are pregnant, currently not milking. We're gonna sort them because some of them need to be trimmed today. And let me tell you what, it's gonna be fun because if you ever sorted cattle with your significant other, well, it gets rowdy. And if you're wondering, I do 100% have a zit patch on my zit right now because I need this thing to go away. We've got a big weekend coming up. Big things are happening this weekend. Do you love me?
Get your head out of your ass.
You can't say that on YouTube. Yeah?
You're recording this?
Yeah. Just keep telling me about your weird church picnic dream.
We wanted to bring some beers with it, but we didn't know if it was acceptable.
Ooh. Beers to the church picnic. Acceptable, not acceptable.
We just brought some but left them in the car. And then when we got there, everybody was drinking beer but us. So then we were... This is dumb. No, we look lame.
Maybe I'll have to bring this up to Pastor John.
Moral of the story, always bring beers to the church picnic.
There's another dream.
I can tell you.
Just tell me.
This one's not that great.
So you want me to turn this off? So this is the list of cows. On the left is the cows we do need. On the right is cows we don't need. Because Tom just likes to make things confusing.
I asked you before we started if you could handle this.
I can handle it. I'm just giving you a hard time. Ready? So Tom is over there manning the gate. We're gonna try to get all the cows we don't need out on the other side, out to the pasture. The ones we do need are gonna stay in here, and my job is just to slowly move the cows towards town. Come on, girls. All right, I think these are all the ones we need, so we're gonna get them into a little pen so they are in a little area corralled up for when the hoof trimmer gets to this location. Come on, girls. Come on. Let's go. And see, I have this cane. This is an extension of my arm, not used to hit animals. You use it so you look like a gate when you're moving animals. We did it. Are we still married? You still love me?
Yep.
Perfect.